Huh? When the little kid walks through Grandpa? It's chilling.
I messed up. It was a meeting. Everybody was smoking.
So what? Don't you have any willpower?
So, Mon, when are we going to meet this new secret waiter man?
He's really shy. I don't think he's up to meeting everyone yet.
Yeah, I don't think he's up to meeting everyone yet.
I don't care. I want to meet this guy who's the best sex she ever had.
Toby, you got a sec?
Sure. What's up?
I just had a meeting. I was actually hoping to get transferred up here, but I just found out it's not going to happen.
Oh, you're so cute. I wish I could play with you more, but I've got to go to work. I hope I stop talking like this before my marketing meeting. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Bye-bye, Joey. Oh, seriously, can't stop it.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word meeting. It means the act of coming together, a chance meeting in the park. Also means an assembly or conference of persons for a specific purpose, a 10 o'clock business meeting. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce meeting, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to me. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how meeting is used in real life.
It was nice meeting you.
Hi, meeting someone?
We are. He's meeting us here.
No, Rachel is meeting us here.
Okay. Hi. Hey, listen, you have to help me pick a dress because I'm meeting Mike's parents tonight.
Yeah, I don't think he's up to meeting everyone yet.
Thank you for meeting with me.
The dean's office called and said there's an urgent meeting.
But only because I was up all night worried about this meeting. Isn't that funny?
I get to sit in on a meeting with the reps from Calvin Klein.
Hey, have you seen Frank Jr.? Because he's meeting me here with the triplets.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.